Hello, Odd Job Doer here, and as you can see, lights on. So this here is going to be The Odd Job Doer Brings the Darkness Part 2, and in which case, we're going to darken this room even better. And you know, I researched some stuff, I tracked some stuff down, I looked at things, and yes, you can find shades that will go up here and mount on the top, whether inside or outside of your window frame, and they will go right along here, and they have a C channel to them. A little groove, you know, where your shade will go in the C channel, and there's usually some black felt in there, and that goes down to the window sill. And that basically blocks out the light pretty much 100%. The only company I found that installs them is in England, and I'm pretty far from that because I think it's a custom job totally. And yeah, what else can I say about it? Oh, and actually to buy them, I could not find a place online to buy such items. So, not to mention, they're a little expensive. So what I have decided to do was another route. And this route here, I don't know if other people do it, I know there's something like it. But this involves a special application of this thing right here. Anyone recognize that? How about now? You see that? What that little treasure is a magnet, right? Not just any magnet. This here is a neodymium magnet, I believe, a rare earth magnet type. And it comes from, this particular one came from the internal source of a hard drive from a computer. You just crack that puppy open and go to town on it. Well, you know, disassemble it, I should say. And inside the hard drive someplace, you'll find usually a pair of these magnets. Now, this isn't for every home, every application, but for this one it should work. If you have a drywall structure with a window frame that has a nice corner edge to it, chances are there's metal behind there. And so just take an example of a magnet, or if you have a rare earth magnet, try sticking it there. And if it sticks, then we're in luck. Now the next thing we'll need is some kind of, you know, dark cloth-like substance, like this right here. Right? Look at that stuff. Oh, there's the floor roller from the job. And so what we're going to do here is basically we'll take this, and I went down to a, you know, craft hobby store, whatever, and where they sell material, and buy it. But you want to take like a flashlight with you, something like a little LED thing, and see if, you know, light goes through it and how much. Because you don't want light going through the material. And remember to unfold it, because it just comes wound and folded into a big mess. So I unfolded it, tried it out, sampled a bunch of different ones there. I was thinking there's something black or purple, you know, to go with the motif. See that there? Pretty fancy. Room's coming along. Anyways. And yes, we got that there. And so it's pretty simple. I'll just take that and bring it over to the window here and start hanging it. Alright, so what I did there is I hung it up there. I checked actually the one from the hard drive stuck in the middle. I just kind of ran these little ones that I bought from a store across and down. And let me show you here. These magnets come in a, you know, thing like this here, right? Like little batteries. Choking hazard, right? So if you have small children, you might want to rethink this whole idea, or have a way to, you know, attach to the cloth, because they can, you know, fall, just like so. But the other thing about them, besides that, you know, they're a choke hazard, is that they're really hard to separate, right? Okay, that doesn't look so hard, but you know, I got one there. I'll do another one here. And I'll hold this in my hand, see if I can do a magic trick here. Let's see. Well, okay. Right? It's like that. See? Magnetic force right through that fat part of my hand, which is probably a whole inch thick or so. And It's also taken all the red iron, the blood cells with it, sucking them to the parts there. Anyways, so we got this here, and basically what we'll do is we'll just continue to take the black cloth, space it up there evenly from top to bottom. I did kind of drape it over the seal a little bit at the bottom there, ever so slightly. And so I got one there. And you basically just put these things on, you know, I got 2 packages on them. So I'm going to do every about 8 inches or so. Right? Like that. And make sure it's down the outside of the wall, and then it gets stuck into the windowsill. Now I'll apply the rest and see what we got. Alright, so I got both sides done now. Let me flip off the light here. And I'll flip off the overhead light. Alright, now that is looking fairly dark, especially on the camera here. Moving it down, zooming it in. Let me check on the light row again. Too far. So right down here, zoom real close, and kill the light again. Okay, ever so slightly, you probably can't see it. But I can, because I'm in this room. There's a little bit of light leakage. Right down here, because there's nothing really holding this down at the windowsill. So what we'll go ahead and do here is we'll just kind of tuck it up and under. Right, do some of this action. Let's see, tuck it up under. No, that's horrible. Okay. Glue it down and probably go just a little bit more down, or let me play with that. I think I'm just going to push it up on the shelf a little bit. Alright, so I tried tucking a little bit more, and then what I did is actually just kind of stretched it out so it laid flat against that bottom windowsill, and that made the light stop coming in. So, we have this here, and now, you know, you think it looks like, yucky, but you know what? This here, I think when I was looking at Windows coverings, they were around the $200-300 range at least. You know, fairly expensive. This fixed here cost maybe $20-30. You know, I didn't go to the cheap store to get the magnets. I went to a Happy Diesel store, and yeah, if you have a source for more hard drives, you know, I think there's at least 2 or 4 of those magnets in a hard drive, and those are even stronger than the little disc ones I got. So have at it. So I got that done. The cloth, like I said, you measure your width and height of your window, and I'd say do 3 to 4 inches more, not on each side, but you know, if you have like 45, then do 49, and then you center it up on there, magnet it around, and that's it. And you know, and then if you want to use your window again, you can simply take the magnets, fold up the cloth, put it somewhere else, put the magnets somewhere else, you know, safe, where it won't get choking hazard and whatnot, or lost. And then you have a normal window there with no more, you know, no damage or nothing around your windowsill or window. And the finished product, you know, doesn't look like this. The finished product's going to look like that, right? And you know, turn the light off, and really, that's dark. Now, it's not even dark, you know why? We don't even have the door on. But where the sunlight used to be from here, that's dark. And the other window over here, you can't see nothing. You know, already did that one there. And darkened it, shut the blinds to it, and there you have it, see? So there's no sunlight coming in through that window. And so on your bright days, you can sit in your dark room and watch a movie. You know, once the movie stuff gets done. Speaking of which, this here basically concludes the room. There's still some stuff to be done. Like I went ahead and took some spray paint, hit it with that thing there, the grid, which goes up here somewhere. And that's going to, you know, darken that and make it look a little neat, match the room. And yeah, there's still a little bit more stuff that needs to be done here. But the next thing up will be probably for the home theater. Will probably be a something to watch the movie on, right? Home theater needs four parts. Okay, we'll say something to watch the movie on, something to play the movie on, and sound. And the other part is, I don't know, something to maybe project the movie. So I'll see what we got for this job, and stay tuned for the next video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And yeah, this little fix should last, a great deal of time. These magnets have a high, I think they lose 5% of their magnetism in 100 years. I think I read that somewhere because of the rare earth magnets. So, Odd Job Doer, thanks for watching. Questions, comments, leave them down below.